Hi, I'm Molly Horak from the Horak Group with Remax Boone Realty in Columbia, Missouri. And today's seller's tip is don't let clutter scare away potential buyers. Declutter your home before showings. So, for a lot of our pack rat families, I would be included in this. I have too many books and too many toys. And yes, so total hypocrite on this, but I don't have my home on the market. So, I tend to suggest the power of three, meaning one out of every three objects should go into storage, should go into a big old plastic container that should be stacked up in your garage or in your storage room or put into offsite storage. If you have 1/3 of your current possessions, it's like living in a vacation home. It's fantastic. Have you ever gone on a trip and lived in a vacation home and gone, I wish I could live like this all the time. Everything is so clean. There's no more stuff than what I actually need. It feels great. Try living like that while your home is on the market. It'll be great for your mental health, probably. But power of three, reduce your visual clutter. All right. Thanks. And I'll see you on the next one.